What is up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I woke up today to this. There is a huge fire down in the hills that way. I don't know if you can see. Smoky, smells like a wood oven. And now look over there where it's clear.
It's about 105 degrees outside. Hot.
It is hot. Me and my family are going over to a safari in Oregon, which is about 6 hours away. It's kind of like a scary movie. But got my nephew here. We are heading to the safari. Alright, so we're about 5 miles into our trip and we had to pull over for this. This is crazy looking. Oh, I think I found a dead body. Rachel, look, a dead body.
Each night and each day I'm California dreaming about you. Oh yeah, got this world-class view, but it's you that I think about every time my mind's on it. And it's you that I think about every time when I get lonely. And it's you that I call on my FaceTime when I need something real. Oh yeah, I work the night shift till late in the PM. I'm California dreaming. Yeah, you. California dreaming about you.
Okay, so we ended up camping out last night here. Let me show you where I was at. This was my tent right here. We had to rig it because we brought the wrong sticks. So we are in Winston, Oregon. It was really dark when I came in last night, so I haven't really got a chance to look around. Let's check out the water. There was deer all over the place last night. It was pretty cool. It was too dark to film. The weather right now is perfect. It is 73 degrees. Very light wind, feels real good. I actually slept pretty good last night. Okay, my little nephew Rome is gonna drive us there. He's trying to reach the pedals. Is that how you're gonna drive? I don't think we're gonna make it.
How are you gonna see like that? That's it.
Yeah, come on. All right, that's enough driving for right now. Let's go.
Come on, get in your seat. Let's go. We gotta go.
Oh my goodness. I would be scared if that thing came after me. This is where he's at now after he lost his job at Toys R Us. He's hanging out here at the unemployment line. It's Go Rhino versus a Go Rhino. There.
Creo que es el que está curando. Oh, look at its face! Look at the bear's face! You can see it clear as day.
He's super friendly.
Look, you're so friendly. It's cute. Bambi.
Look, it's Bambi.
Bambi.
They're like blocking the road.
Oh, that one is happy. That one is happy.
Es que quieren
Yeah, but they're blocking the road.
No thanks. Yeah. He backed out. He was like,
Africa.
I hit my bunny mouth.
Oh, look at that one. That looks like a hairless guinea pig.
Rachel, look at them.
I hurt myself so bad.
¿Con qué? ¿Con el fierro?
Yeah.
What's up, little buddy? Oh my goodness. That feels weird. You feel their horns?
Oh, it's soft.
Yeah, right? That was scary. No, this one. Give me more food.
Here. I was filming you on that
I think he's gonna mistake my eyeball for a...
Okay, that's enough. I don't want him to eat it all.
Okay.
Here, I filmed it. Little animals.
Somebody feed that animal.
Oh, look at how cute it is. Oh my goodness, it's red hair.
Yeah, look at that
So cute.